This is Jim Emter, Van Ahn Co, Alexandria, Minnesota, with the closing grain and livestock comments for May 31st, 2018. Corn market up a half to 1 cent. Bean market down 1 to 4.5. Chicago wheat up 4 to 5. Minneapolis wheat steadied up a half. Kansas City up 1 to 2 cents. Really, the news around the markets, EU and Mexico announcing that if the steel and aluminum tariffs go on into effect tomorrow afternoon, that they are going to consider some potential retaliation tariffs on the U.S. So once again, another dynamic to the market that creates some uncertainty. Mexico, obviously a major buyer of corn, and will need to be somewhat attentive to what any retaliation measures might mean. Otherwise, in the grain complex, we're watching good rains over the next 5 to 7 days. Then we kind of retreat back to more neutral temperatures in the north, warmer temperatures in the south, and a little drier conditions. So good news in the near term with the rain coming for a lot of producers. We'll need to kind of watch those extended models. Typically this time of year, May 31st, the crops look good as emergence happens and the crops are green. We'll need to be attentive to long-range outlooks, and we've got a lot of wild moves coming yet, in our opinion, yet this year with tight carryout forecasts both domestically and worldwide. Soybeans a little bit more of a wild card, but with Argentina lighter on production, that's still going to bring potential out of the meal market leader there, and then potentially into the beans. So we see support right now for corn, 387 to 392 off the July, 407 off the D's. And for beans, November, we're looking at really around that 1011 as first price count, 999 a second. And those are the areas that we're looking to get some re-ownership against the sales we've been making, and potential areas to get some courage sales opportunities, so meaning call type options, to look at those in that retrospect. So give us a call for details. We can help you through the risk management measures there. Feeder cattle down 40 to 115, live cattle down 50 to 107.5, hogs down 70 to 207.5. For the cattle, it was a big down day to start, but we were able to battle back and still show signs of at least a healthy market here that's trying to turn the corner. Those retracement levels this morning were kind of met, and we needed to bounce off them, and we did. So still good looking cattle market. Packer margins near record, cutouts still firmish, at least in the overnights there last night. So we'll see if we can't get some acceleration here out of cash this week. Hog market, just too much to overcome. 80 to 81 still a big resistance point, and we failed there once again. This has been Jim Emter, Van Ahn Co, Alexandria, Minnesota. Trading in futures and options involves risk of loss and is not suitable for all producers. Past performance is not indicative of future results. This is a solicitation. Have a great afternoon.